Good morning, guys. I have the big bird here. It's turkey. I'm gonna cook it today. Today's Christmas day, so I'm gonna cook this turkey. I'm putting the onions, string onions inside, and the lemongrass, and I'm going to inject that with the tuyumansi from the Asian store. And I have this thing here to inject. So let's see what's gonna happen when it's cooked, and I'm gonna tell you. Okay, this is the tuyumansi or calamansi soy sauce that I'm going to inject on this turkey. And I'm gonna make it a good turkey today. Trying to inject this turkey here, so I'm almost done. So I hope that this will turn out good because my husband is freaking out when I put some vinegar and calamansi soy sauce. Hey guys, okay, the turkey is in the oven right now. I'm going to cook this for 3 hours and a half with 330 degrees. Hope it's gonna be good. After the 3 hours and a half cooking in the oven or bake in the oven, this is the result of my turkey, and I'm gonna try it, see if it's good. Ooh, look at that, it's so good looking. And I'm gonna try this. I slice it. Look at that, it's brown. Looks so good. Oh, it's so good. I cook this just the way we do in the Philippines. We put some soy sauce and lemongrass. What else? Lemongrass and string onion. I put it inside. As you could see, it's still there. It's really good. And maybe I will put some vinegar with pepper.